Hi everyone, welcome to this new Mediterranean recipe. Today we are going to the south of France for making a Provencal Tian. This is a dish with fresh vegetables baked with olive oil. This is colorful, simple, and it takes maybe 40 minutes to make. Let's get started. Yeah, let's start this nice Tian with 2 onions. We will peel them. As you can see, I put everything into a trash. It's very important to use a trash like this, so you have a clean mind for cooking. Now we want to chop the onions. I'm taking a saucepan with some olive oil. So yeah, add a lot of olive oil because we are going to put the onions inside of the saucepan. I will turn on the heat. So yeah, I start with medium heat and after it will be low heat. We don't want to brown the onions, we want them translucid. During that time we take the zucchinis, we cut the ends. And we want to cut them diagonally. By doing this diagonally, then the slices will be bigger. Same treatment for the other one. It's not that easy, but you want to cut the zucchini evenly, otherwise you'll have one slice cooked and the other raw. Now I'll take some eggplant. They are pretty nice actually, I took them on the local market. I want to remove the stem. And now it's very important because you want the same size between the tomato, the zucchini and the eggplant. So yeah, you see I'm going to have to cut the eggplant in 2 pieces, in half. Yeah, it's good. I don't want the ends because they are too small. Yeah, it fits perfectly. And then we slice it. And I put the eggplant into a plate. Before I take the tomatoes, I will remove the stem as well. Well, it's good, but in my opinion, it's not enough. Then I'm taking another tomato, and this one is orange. It's good, it will add a lot of colors into this tian. Okay, now my tomatoes are ready. And if you want more Mediterranean recipes, just subscribe to the channel. And of course, you have all the ingredients into the description below, including 2 cloves of garlic. And sometimes you are lucky, you don't even need a knife to remove the skin. And on this one you want to remove the sprout, just on 1 clove of garlic. I will slice them, I mean just the ones without sprout. I'm going to turn on the oven on 180 degrees. Now I take the whole clove of garlic and I start rubbing the baking dish, just like that. After that I take the onions, And I want to put them all over the baking dish. I'm going to take some thyme, but of course you can take any fresh herbs. You can take some thyme, you can take some savory, you can even take some rosemary. We don't waste anything. And now we can start making our tian. There are no rules actually. You can put them into the way you want. Just don't hesitate to push hard. Once it's finished, you can add a little bit of salt and black pepper. I will add some rosemary onto the top of the tian. Definitely Mediterranean. And of course, olive oil. I take the garlic and I put it on top of the tian. That's why we cut it in big slices. After the oven, then it will be easier to remove the garlic. And we put it into the oven during 45 minutes, maybe 1 hour, that depends of the oven. You want to add a bowl with some water into the oven. Then after quite some time, the tian is ready. Yum. To be honest with you, I love serving this with the rib stick on the barbecue, but it also goes really well with lamb chops. Thanks so much for watching, it's always a pleasure. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe for more Mediterranean recipes, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and feel free to leave a comment below. See you soon, bye!